one technique real quick here that is straight from the book. And this is something we've used for quite a while. We've homeschooled my daughter since she was 6 years old. She's 12 now. So homeschooling is kind of normal life for us. And we had this problem when I was writing or my wife was working. My daughter would not know what we're doing because it's very hard for a child to tell if you're on the computer, are you watching a video? Are you talking to grandma over Skype? What are you doing? They don't know what you're doing. And so we institute this practice. I'm going to show you. You may have to share this video. We call this the concentration crown. Okay. So anytime daddy is wearing, this is my concentration crown. So what you have to do is you have to go look in your house for the silliest hat you have, and you wear this hat that signals to your child, hey, when I'm wearing this, that means I can't be disturbed, okay? And so what you're doing is essentially interrupting the interruption. Yes, it looks a little ridiculous, but that's the point because they can't miss it. So children can pick up on this technique very quickly. We started this with my daughter when she was just 6 years old.